Good morning, guys. I've decided that Pepper just jumped onto the sofa. I decided I'm gonna vlog today because I want to start uploading 3 times a week, but I just cannot physically pump out enough skincare content 3 times a week for it to be like good researched, like good quality skincare content. So I figured that the way that I would compromise here is do these like, I don't know, like chatty at-home vlogs. I know I'm not a vlog channel. I'm not pretending to be a vlog channel, but it brings me joy, and so I want to try doing it for a little bit just to see how it goes. Obviously, in these videos, I'm going to be taking you through, my skincare routines, what skincare products I'm using on that particular day. I think that'll be helpful because it's like a snapshot of what I'm doing on that particular day, as opposed to just like, I don't know, like a favorites video where I talk about like my favorites of the month. So right now I have on a clay mask. It's drying. I've had it on for like 2 or 3 minutes now. Look at this little boy. Hey, that's my sweatshirt. That's my sweatshirt they're sitting on. Pepper. These dogs. So honestly, I don't know what the format of these videos is going to be. I'm just gonna play around with it and see what I like. Well, it's been a little while since I have talked to you guys, but basically I did my morning skincare routine, and if you want to see it, I definitely recommend that you check out my beauty maintenance routine, because that's basically what I did. I did a mask. I went in with the serum, and then I finished up with sunscreen, and obviously I cleansed my skin. So if you want to see that routine, I will link that video down below in the info box for you to go watch. It's kind of hard filming like personal skincare content because I like to repeat products a lot, because if my skin likes something, then it likes something, and I'm going to continue to use that thing. But I find that a lot of my skincare routines tend to be very repetitive, and I don't know if you guys mind that or not, but I personally don't love it. So I do my best to switch things up and test out new products, because I know that there are tons of new launches coming out now with skincare products. And to be fair, I have been getting kind of a lot of PR, like more PR than I've ever gotten before in my entire like YouTube journey, which is really cool, and I'm super grateful for that, because I obviously made the goal of spending under $500 on skincare this year, and I need to actually go back and figure out how much I have spent so far, because I think we're getting close to the limit, and it's only March. So that's just something for me to figure out in the future. I've been testing a lot of products. I have reviews going up. I did a Good Molecules review. I'm working on a Fourth Ray Beauty review, and also something from Glossier. So there's like a lot of stuff in the works that you don't necessarily see because it's happening behind the scenes, and it's stuff that I'm testing out on my own time. I don't like to overwhelm my skin very much, and so it takes me a while to test products in general. Some stuff I know pretty much right away if I like it or not, such as cleansing oils, cleansers, anything like that. Any sort of like wash off product, I can, gauge very quickly whether I like it or not. But for serum, for moisturizers, I don't know. With moisturizers, like it's kind of hit or miss. Either I really like it or I don't like it at all. I don't know, I'm totally rambling. What's happening right now is that I don't want to do my work. So I was like, I'm just gonna get out the camera and start vlogging. But I really need to get my work done. So I'm going to get some stuff done. I made green tea, I have a glass of water, there is a candle burning, I cleaned the kitchen and the living room, so I really have nothing else to procrastinate on. Like truly, the only thing I have left to do on my to-do list is my work. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and do that. Hello friends, I just did 30 minutes of yoga, which was so nice. I feel weird filming myself doing yoga because I'm not very good at it, but at this point, it's about 5 o'clock. So I am going to take little Bubba's on a walk. I'm gonna take this little boy on a walk. Are you feeling hot, Pepper? Are you feeling hot? Okay, so I showered. I am clean. I feel so fresh. I've also changed into my pajamas, and I know it's like 6:30, but I'm gonna stay this way because I deserve this. I'm going to walk you through my evening skincare routine for today. I have my products here and my hands are clean, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So the first product I'm gonna use is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. I did a whole Good Molecules, hello little boy, hi. I did a whole Good Molecules review. If you're interested in learning more about the brand and the products that I like from the brand, then you should give that video a watch. I will link that video down below. But this is a really good serum. It corrects discoloration on the face. So I'm gonna put a couple drops in my hand. And this is so funny, but like if you work in a lab, you know that like screwing things on and off with one hand, you know you can do it. So I have it in my hand right now. I'm going to spread it around and pat it into my skin. It feels slightly tacky, but that's not really a problem because this is a nighttime skincare routine and I don't mind that kind of feeling on my skin. So happy. Next, I'm going to go in with the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much because it's just so simple, super fuss-free. I use 2 pumps of it, and I take it from the back of my hand, and I apply little dots on my face and on my neck. And I like to massage this in. And then lastly, to seal everything in and provide even more hydration to my skin, I'm going to use, again from Good Molecules. This video is not sponsored by Good Molecules at all. They don't know who I am. Actually, they do know who I am because they did send me these products in PR. So they do know who I am, but this video is not sponsored. This is the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I love this little oil. It's just like, it's tiny, but it packs a punch. What I like to do is take a couple drops in my hand. That was 4 drops, probably a little bit too much, but whatever. To warm it up and then press it on top of my skin. Just like how I did the serum. So that is my evening skincare routine done. Pretty simple, pretty low key. I'm all about that in my skincare. As far as my plans for the rest of the evening, probably gonna make dinner, probably gonna edit a video, maybe upload it, and yeah, that's about it. I had a really productive day. Like, I worked a lot, I did yoga, I took my dogs on a walk, I went on a run by myself without the dogs because I don't think Kyan and Pepper's little legs could keep up with me. Overall, really good day. Come on. Wow! Oh, focus on me, please. Thank you. Alright, so that's basically the end of this vlog. I want to wrap things up now because it's getting pretty late and I am tired after everything I did today. But yeah, I basically just like ate dinner. I made chicken curry with chapatis, which was so yummy. And I played some Animal Crossing, which has been surprisingly very relaxing. I don't play video games, but Animal Crossing is super fun. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week and I will see you in my next video. Bye.